Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great and keep doing face yoga. I suggest you to choose one or two of my videos to work on your face daily for the best result. Today we are going to work on our eyes with simple exercises. First, we are going to stretch a little bit our neck. Next exercise, we are going to sit straight, your hand straight 45-degree and other hand at your eyes level, and then you look down a little bit like this, not like this, not up, just look down a little bit and you stretch, and you will feel the stretch here and until your hand. Alright, let's do this together. Sit straight, your arm stretch 45-degree and put your finger on the eye level and pull them back a little bit. Relax your shoulder and look down a little bit like this, and then turn to the ceiling, look up, just like look down a little bit and then look up, and you feel this stretch. We stay for 5 seconds. 1 and breathe also. 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. If you have the tension on your shoulder, adjust the pressure. Okay, other side. Hand 45-degree, your finger on the eyes level, pull them back a little bit and look down, then pull your neck to the side and look up and breathe. Stay for 10 seconds. No, stay for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and turn slowly. Relax. Let's do the second time. Stretch your arm 45-degree, put your fingers on your eyes level, pull them back a little bit, look down a little bit, stretch your neck and then look up and breathe. We stay for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax to the center. Let's do other side. The same thing. You put your arm straight 45-degree, your finger on your eyes level, pull them back a little bit and look down a little bit and then look up. Stay for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Turn to the center. Relax. This exercise we are going to look on the side, up, side and down, and then we do other side, like down, side, up and side. Okay, let's do with me. Slowly. Look on the right, stay straight, your shoulder straight, relax your shoulder also. Look at the right, as far as possible, and then slowly look up and to the left and down to the left, up to the right and down. and close your eyes. Open your eyes. Let's do the second time. We will do twice. This time we'll start from the left. You look as far as you can to the left. Slowly move your gaze up and then to the right and then down. Other side. Slowly look to the right and up and left and down. Look to the right and up and right and down. Now to the right, up, left and down, and close your eyes. I was confused a little bit with left and right, but it's okay. Breathe and open your eyes. How you feel? Do you feel a little bit stretch in your eyes? It's really good. Let's do the last one. This time we do 3 times. We start from the right. Look at the right as far as possible, and then up, and then left, and down, left, then up, right, and down. Other side, right, up, left, down. Other side, left, up, right, and down. The last one, right, up, left, down. Other side, left, up, right, down. Close your eyes. Breathe and open your eyes. Really good. We are going to work on our grow fit here. You put your hand like this. Spread your hand a little bit and pull them back a little bit, and then you try to squeeze for 10 times like this, okay? When you squeeze, you try to relax your eyebrows and your forehead, also sit straight. Let's do together. Your hand V like this. Put on the side of your eyes. Spread your hand, your fingers a little bit. Pull them back a little bit. Relax your shoulder. Not to do this. Relax your shoulder. Relax your forehead. And then squeeze for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And tap a little bit. Good. Now do the second time. We put your hand, fingers on the side of your eyes. Pull them a little bit, spread them a little bit, and relax your shoulder, relax your forehead. Squeeze for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. and relax. Tap, 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 tap. Let's do the last one. We put your finger and then spread them a little bit, pull them back a little bit. Relax your shoulder, relax your forehead, and squeeze for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tap, 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 tap. Good job. This time we are going to do big O. You need your hand like L. You put your thumb under your ear and the rest along your hairline, and then pull them up 45 degrees like this. Drop your jaw and look up. While you look up, you try to close your lower eyelids and stay for 10 seconds. I will show you. Like this. This is you should not do. Okay, let's start. Relax your shoulder, relax your forehead, drop your jaw, look up, and try to close your lower eyelid. Stay for 10 seconds. And relax, tap a little bit. Let's do another one. Your hand L under your ear, pull them back 45 degrees, pull them up 45 degrees. Relax your shoulder, relax your forehead, drop your jaw and look up, squint for 10 seconds. Good. Let's do the last one. The same thing. Put along your hairline, thumb under your ears and pull them 45 degrees. Look up, drop your jaw and squint for 10 seconds. And relax. Good job. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I know you loved the video, so please give the thumbs up, comment and share to your friends. If you are new here, subscribe and click the bell button for the next video. I see you soon. Bye bye.